So the topic for today's discussion is video marketing strategies for customer retention. So if you are any kind of business or any kind of entity which you are running and you want to retain your customer, then you need to have a video marketing strategy in place for your customer retention. Why I'm asking about it? There are numerous aspects, so we are going to discuss why video marketing works. So suppose you are a business owner or an entity owner. So why video marketing works is like emotional engagement and storytelling. You cannot engage a customer or a business via emotional engagement or storytelling through your blog post or through your Instagram post or through anything else apart from video marketing. And the best way to connect with the audience is emotional engagement and storytelling, which is being relevant and being present over video marketing workings. Another point is higher recall and information retrieval. Obviously, visual content is more appealing and more retrieval friendly. So, higher recall and information retrieval thinking is also embedded into it. Apart from this, visual trust building and brand relevance. So, if you want to build your visual trust and brand relevance, then this is the best way possible. If we will ask what are the types of video content for retention, like unboxing video, onboarding video, educational content, customer success stories and testimonials, exclusive content for existing customers, and product updates and feature highlights. Apart from these, 6 strategies to improve retention is like personalization and segmentation, email integration, in-app and website video embeds, social media re-engagement, interactive video elements, tailor content to platform behavior. And if we talk about common mistakes to avoid, like more is not always better. Try to create quality videos or quality content in a visual format rather than quantity, or focusing on the quantity. Calling to optimize for mobile devices. You are not able to target right mobile devices or right target audience. That's where you fail. Ignoring performance data in feedback loops. So you need to consider the same. Apart from this, what key takeaways you will take? Video is central pillar of modern retention. So if you are not doing any kind of video marketing, you are failed. Your total entire marketing process is being failed. Personalization is paramount. Obviously, the personal brand, personal touch, personal relevance is more important. So personalization is paramount, and video is the best things. Mobile first and short form videos essential. Obviously, if you cannot make a long form video initially with the basic terminology, like you are going to start something on the video side and you are not able to make any long form video, then short form videos and mobile first videos will be a boon for you. So I will suggest that you must go for mobile first and short form videos eventually in the first segment of your business launching or your video marketing strategy in place. So this is the best option. Apart from this, strategic multi-platform approach crucial. So strategic multi-platform approach crucial. So I will suggest these depend on the type of business or the type of customer retention you want to have. For a cake, with the help of an example, I will tell you, like for the cake owner or a cake bakery owner, the best videos is possible like short form videos, YouTube videos, or I'll suggest Instagram reels. That will be a locally segmented way. But for a big meat shop or a meat factory, video marketing for B2B will be relevant, like long form videos and how you will supply the entire meat and everything on a long form basis. Then a long form video will do the wonder for that. So if you want to make your any kind of strategy for your business related to video marketing strategy and customer retention, so we will there to help you out. So if you have any query related to the same, or if you have any question in your mind, like creating your video marketing strategy in place for your customer retention, for your B2B engagement, for your video marketing workings, for your strategies, like common mistakes to avoid, and I have posted the entire thing in a nutshell way so that even layman person can also understand. A person who is traditionally embedded and the person who do not know how to create videos can also launch their video marketing strategy and for the customer increase retention or for the B2B retention of the customer. So if you have any query, then do connect with us on the below number and please share it with someone who will need it. Thank you so much. Have a nice day and connect with us. Thank you.